Hey guys, what's up? So, for this video naman, I'll be sharing with you the Elite Chapter Party that everyone's been waiting for every end of the year. And this time, iba siya because Doc Cheetah decided to do something different. Instead of the usual party, ginawa natin siyang hot pot party with chocolate gift giving. Super cozy, super fun, and honestly, mas ramdam yung bonding. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Now, let's start by hearing some greetings from the Elite Chapter. Here are their Christmas and New Year messages for everyone.
Hello to all home Harlicans around the world. My name is Ana Maria Eustachio from Novaliches, Quezon City. Greetings to everyone. May you have a happy and Merry Christmas and the best of Happy New Year. Hi, hi, hi!
Hello, hi Maharlikans! Merry Christmas to everyone! Wishing you guys a Christmas filled with joy, peace, and wonderful memories with your family and loved ones. Advance Happy New Year and joy!
Hi Maharlikans, I'm Irene J. Bitria from Hoy Elite, Quezon City. I just wanted to greet everyone Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless to all and stay safe. Hoy, 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 hoy!
Good evening everyone, my name is Princey Ramlaesta from Novaliches, Quezon City. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all Hoy around the world. Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Hello to all Hoy Maharlika around the world. My name is Jenny Marie Santua from Novaliches, Quezon City. Greetings to everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May these seasons bring peace, joy, and good health to you and to your family. Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Hi everyone, my name is Sheila Santua from Novaliches, Quezon City. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to Hoy around the world. Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Merry Christmas, Hoy Maharlikans from Canada, USA, and the Philippines. May your Christmas be filled with joy, laughter, and meaningful moments from your loved ones. Merry Christmas!
Hello, Hoy Maharlikans from Canada, USA, and Philippines. This is Patricia Ruiz po, wishing you all a happy, jolly, and Merry Christmas. Sana po ay magkaroon ng pagmamahal, pagkakaisa, and pagkakaunawa ang celebrations nyo ng buong pamilya at ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Advance Happy New Year din po sa ating lahat. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Bye-bye.
Hello, Hoy Maharlikans around the world. My name is Aubrey Sistakio from Elite Chapter. Merry Christmas to all of you and Happy New Year. Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Hello, Hoy Marlica. My name is Paulie G. Ruiz. I would like to greet everyone a Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Thank you very much for sponsoring the Elite Chapter event. Mabuhay po ang Hoy Maharlika.
Hello Maharlikans, I'm Anthony Diaz. Wishing you all a happy and a loving Christmas and advance Happy New Year. May the grace and peace of our Lord be with you all. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Hello, Hoy Maharlika. Ako si Rogelio Santoa, taga Novaliches, Quezon City. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Hoy Maharlika.
Hello, Hoy Maharlikans. My name is Jaynard S. Daluso. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Ayan, we can really see and feel how everyone is wishing a joyous Christmas and a meaningful New Year for all of us. Ang saya panoorin, ramdam yung sincerity and warmth ng bawat isa. Now, let's move on to the actual party. The food trip begins with our delicious hot pot and battered seafoods. And of course, tsak na nagustuhan nito ng ating mga members. Kita naman sa kanila, di ba? Kain na kain and pure enjoyment lang talaga. These amazing dishes were sponsored by Hoy Maharlika, especially by Doc Cheetah, and prepared by Miss Ana Marie Eustachio. So, thank you so much po for always making sure na busog at masaya ang lahat. Ayan no, makikita nyo rin dito yung process ng pagluluto. From preparing the ingredients, paghahalo ng sabaw, hanggang sa pagkaluto ng buttered seafoods. Nakakatakam talaga and habang niluluto pa lang, amoy pa lang, panalo na kaagad. Next, we have the Leadership Award. Here are the speeches from our awardees. First, we have Anna Marie, followed by Angel, and syempre yours truly, Miss Patricia.
Hi everyone and to all of Hoy Maharlikans around the world. My name is Anne-Marie Estakyo from the Bridges Elite, your corporate treasurer. And thank you, Dr. Chito and Hoy Maharlika, for this leadership award. I promise to do my very best and strive harder. Thank you.
Mabuhay, Hoy Maharlikans! I'm Angel Asistacchio from Elite Chapters and your corporate auditor. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Chito Collantes for giving me this leadership award. And I promise ko na I will always try my best in the activities and tasks na binibigay niyo po sa amin. And thank you rin po for always reminding and supporting and guiding us in every decision that we make po in this organization. And that's what make me po a good leader today. Thank you.
Hello po everyone, I am Patricia May Ruiz from the Elite Chapter and currently the Corporate Secretary of Hoy Maharlika. I just want to sincerely thank po Hoy Maharlika, especially to Doc Chito Collantes for awarding me this Certificate of Leadership Award. Ayan. Thank you so much po Doc Chito for always recognizing and appreciating the efforts and work po that we do for the organization. Malaking bagay po sa amin yung ganitong pagkilala and it really motivates us to do better and to continue serving Hoy Maharlika with commitment and sincerity. This award po is not just for me, but also for everyone who supports, guides, and works with me in the organization. Thank you po for the trust and encouragement, and promise po I will continue to do my best and to serve with dedication. Maraming salamat po ulit and mabuhay ang Hoy Maharlika. Ayan, these speeches really show how leadership is not just about position but about service, dedication, and teamwork syempre. And now for our main event tonight na talaga namang pinakahihintay natin lahat, the Carnival Rice Fair. To start this off, let's have Miss Angel to take over.
We are now here in Grand Carnival, Robinson Novaliches, Quezon City, to celebrate the year-end party of the Novaliches Elite Chapter. So tara, pasok tayo!
Ayan o, yung first ride natin, unang-una kaagad, the Octopus Ride. Grabe, sobrang nakakahilo dito and medyo nakakatakot din because umiikot talaga yung mismong sinasakyan namin. Tapos medyo mataas pa kada ikot. At first parang okay lang, pero habang tumatagal kasi bumibilis, kaya mapapahawa ka na lang talaga. Next namang tinry namin is yung horror train. Honestly, hindi naman siya ganun ka-scary talaga, pero super enjoyable kasi lots of laughter. Imbes na sumigaw talaga sa takot, puro tawanan lang yung laman ng ride namin. Mas masakit pa nga namin kakatawa kaysa sa pagiging kabado. And then, here comes the Vikings ride. Ito talaga yung pinakagrabe. So, una parang ang lakas pa ng loob mo eh. Like, ginadyo pa. Pero, once nakaupo ka na sa boat, makapaisip ka na lang kung itutuloy mo pa ba. Ba yung feeling sobrang intense pero sobrang solid pa rin. And here's Jaynard, chilling lang sa mga rides na sinakyan niya, like the Tiger Coaster and even the inflatable playground for kids. Iba talaga trip ng bawat isa, syempre. Depende rin sa edad, pero ang mahalaga, lahat masaya.
Anong masasabi mo sa ride?
Nakakailo.
Nakakailo. Ikaw? Anong masasabi mo sa ride?
Okay.
Okay. Anong masasabi mo sa ride?
Masaya. Masaya sa octopus. Naramdaman ko kung paano paikot-ikutin. Sa ano pa, sa horror train. Okay, easy lang. Ay, kasi kinuhaan ko ng pampalo yun. Tapos sa Vikings, wala na, hindi ko na alam. Yung kaluluwa ko, naiwan sa ere.
Ikaw? Madam? Wala na masabi?
And that wraps up our Carnival Day, Hoy Maharlikans. Sobrang daming tawanan, kulitan, at memories na hindi kayang tumbasan ng kahit ano. Minsan talaga you don't need much kasi when you're truly enjoying the moment, laughter becomes priceless. Thank you for being part of this fun ride. See you on the next one. Bye!
So, ayan guys, that's pretty much of it. Those are the ganaps for today. All I can say is sobrang enjoy and sobrang worth it and sobrang saya maging part ng Hoy Maharlika. Madaming sobra, diba? Kaya sana hindi na matapos yung mga ganitong moments. Because this is more than just an organization, it's really a family. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next ganap. Bye-bye!